Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Because of baking soda's bitter taste, it must be paired with a sweeter tasting acidic compound. Baking soda is most commonly used in cookie and muffin recipes. Baking powder, however, already contains an acid and a base and has a more neutral taste, which works great when baking cakes and bread. 18 February 2017.
Take our lead.
That's because baking soda is not a baking powder substitute. If you swap in an equal amount of baking soda for baking powder in your baked goods, they won't have any lift to them, and your pancakes will be flatter than, well, pancakes. You can, however, make a baking powder substitute by using baking soda. 13 February 2018.
Take our lead.
The most common reason that cookies are tough is that the cookie dough was mixed too much. When flour is mixed into the dough, gluten begins to form. Gluten helps hold baked goods together, but too much gluten can lead to tough cookies. 28 November 2018.
Let's help you make your mark.
Just like in regular sugar cookies, the cream of tartar prevents the sugar from crystallizing, giving a soft texture that's also chewy, plus that acid flavor is key in what differentiates a snickerdoodle from all other cookies. 26 August 2019.
Take our lead.
Trick number 1, don't use brown sugar. It has more moisture than white and is also more acidic, meaning it reacts with baking soda to produce air that helps cookies to rise. Baking at a lower temperature allows the cookies to spread before rising so they are even and crispy all around. 4 February 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
Baking powder may be used as a substitute for baking soda. For example, if a recipe calls for 1 teaspoon of baking soda, use 3 teaspoons of baking powder as a replacement. Note that this substitution may result in a slightly saltier and more acidic flavor than the original recipe intended. 15 March 2019.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.